along with students, tried to storm BJP President KSH Bhabananda and Rajya Sabha MP MC Meira. Parents and guardians sleep over near Catholic school buildings to submit admission forms, certificates forged illegally. And young Manipur women all set to go on lone car drive to Delhi for social cause. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News, and now the news in detail. Student organizations and women folk continue protesting against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Students and women folk stormed the residence of President of BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhabananda, demanding to make a stand regarding the bill. The protest was launched around 2 this afternoon. Tough confrontation broke out between the protesters and the police, while police resorted to firing tear gas shells to disperse the protesters. At least 4 students sustained injuries in the confrontation. Police drove the protesters away from Bhabananda's residence towards Bhaigo Hotel. Later, a team of selected protesters met Bhabananda. Similarly, protesters stormed the residence of Rajya Sabha MP Meira at Langol Game Village. Meanwhile, Meira paibis and people also protested at Lilong Bazaar against the bill. In the bid to have their children get education in Catholic schools, parents and guardians slept over near the school buildings to get their first priority in the last day of the admission in these schools. Here's the report.
The last date for submission of forms for Class 1 and Class 7 for the new admission in various Catholic schools in the state, namely Little Flower School Sangai Pro, St. Joseph Sangai Pro, Nirmalabas MG Avenue, Catholic English School Kanchipur, and Tiny Tots. Tens of hundreds of parents and guardians waited in front of the school gates since last evening to submit admission forms, which were downloaded from website, while others collected the same from the respective schools. Traffic police and security personnel had to put extra effort to manage the congestion around Nirmalabas School due to the lack of parking space for the vehicles brought by the parents. The same condition was witnessed in the areas around the other Catholic schools too. A visiting parent at St. Joseph English School Sangai Pro expressed how inconvenient was it for him to wait since early morning to submit the admission form.
Mating thokpadi ngasai private school mission school sing sedana atal kham naitan hena population hena hola ibe maramdi afava no monom gi hengal pana maramaraga duda hengal pani aduga khoi gi government school sing sedadi madugi chang nem thri di haibagi wani madu khoi na thajalu bada khoi gi cha sing natraga ye chhatra sing thajan kheba matam da madu magi quality sia awang ba ifang phangba ngamukta ba aduna maramorga ngasai gi mission school sing seda khoi guardian sing na hen attempt torokpani na thamjage.
On the other hand, many parents had to change the date of birth of their children illegally, with the help of Xerox and computer centers according to the age bar set by the respective schools. Besides, the Xerox and computer centers charged 5 rupees per copy, which is 3 rupees more than the normal rate. Taking due advantage of the situations, some Xerox and computer centers even sold duplicate and blank birth certificates 200 rupees. As such, it is high time to check these irregularities occurring in the education system of the state. It would not be wrong to say that the parents who mindlessly resorted to changing birth details of their children today have put the future of their children at risk.
22-year-old Gerinda Loitongbam is going on lone car drive from Imphal to Delhi with a mission to spread a message among the masses against the ever-increasing crime against women. Gerinda hails from Lalambung Makhong, Takhilambam Laikai. She is the daughter of Loitongbam Johnson and Loitongbam Osomi Devi. She will be driving a Maruti Swift car all alone to Delhi. Her journey will kick off from Kangla Gate on January 28 at 11 a.m. Her drive will pass the roads of Kohima, Guwahati, Siliguri, Patna, Lucknow, Agra, etc. New Delhi's India Gate is going to be the destination of her drive. In an exclusive conversation with Tom TV News, Gerinda Loitongbam said, molestation, sexual harassment and domestic violence are the biggest issues relating to crime against women in today's society. She questioned the society on gender equality while stating that being able to drive is also a part of women empowerment. As such, she is driving all alone to Delhi to convey the message that a woman can do anything that a man can do. She will also spread the message among students of various schools and colleges on her way, she added.
2018 की April अदवाई दगे अखोई माद approach तो बहुरे अखोई मासना यादे नुपी न थंदने कमाइन चट कनी कमाइन तो गनी इन्हें है बदी नुपी सोंथर अगर लेबा देदी नुपा गई न गम्मे न तो बस नुआईते खोते चचगे खोत के न हाई बने अखोई मासना याद रहे हम बा देदी गायरे से मतलब October दा मुहायर approach तो रही माचट के खोत के ना देदी हंदा की जे खंग खंगो दने माने नंग चट तो इतार गदी आई आंटी होय का वारी छनरगा खोलगा मेसेज से पुरगा अवेयरनेस पीबोइना चलू हाइदना खमान आयाबा पीरगा यामना वाना समान चचगिबनी अइना तांको निपान चटकदोरिबा खोंगचट असे मियामना नचलमगनी नचामगनी खनबीरगा मियामना सपोर्ट तौबियु मेसेज इंडिया की स्टेट मफम कयादा अवेयरनेस पीउरगा आई इमा लेबाक मणिपुर अमुक खलकपा माय पाकना हलकपा ओइजगे मियामना सपोर्ट तौबियु मियामगी थौजालसु माय पाकपा ओइजगे हाइजनी.
On the other hand, Gerinda's mother, Somi Devi, said her daughter has been telling her for the loan car drive since very long. However, it was very difficult to give her the consent. Considering the noble idea behind, she has finally agreed to let her go and support her in the cause. Not only her, but the entire family, especially her granddad, L. Jugeshwar, grandmom Morangthim Satyabati, uncle L. Nicholson, along with L. Nelson and aunt Iringbam Satyabati are encouraging her for the loan drive. The family is taking the entire responsibility for the trip. No help has been taken from anyone else as of now. Gerinda's trip is for everyone, and on that note, people should support her.
Sana lambi sana sakibase hoi kitangi pakase isana PMO ibegi ado pakasaraga su magi awareness sima pirage magi thonado aisu isagi thonase puthokjarasanu adegi mayam manu pida tawriba mayam se sibanu tawbungami haibase uthokjarasanu haibagi aina sumonde am support tawre hoji se chasarasanu haibagi pandam dai sudum leijare isana sakiba matam sida mai pangna sakiba oinaba lambi da su mayam support tawiramu adoga halakpa matam da su mai pangna halakpa gi mayam na board pibi.
We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Kanglipagi spices industry ki production lobiron iram dong ki posu ere pojan ju out re chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi ba sei try panji da puthoi ba production yang rajan ginger powder chili powder turmeric powder cinnamon powder mithi jira powder amadi hairi bo loinana sa masal amadi machal powwa mayang manada ba packaging system so oraba Manipur da yan boina spices industry da ISO 9001 2008 amadi ISO 9001-2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration tawraba KSI ki product tam sizinabiu
sina khwai de hena pharena boni na pire inni
ima KSI ki product sidi yam phabani
Manipur da ihan hangoin handokjaba Green Can Industries masida commercial kitchen equipments amadi bakery item makhal suna phangiragani.
We're very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
And Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services si amna pending hour entrepreneurs sing Green Can Industries that depend over yani have say possibility.
We trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
We love the quality of Green Can Industry.
Green Can Industry is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Adum samutang lenshin biratuna akupa marol digamasta tanabiu. Aikoigi address Green Can Industries Mahangum Lekai SBI ATM building. Green Can Industries for better baking.
Manipur ihan hanba oina healthcare products ingi fangfom Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System. Registered Office Khoyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001. Branch Office Lalambung Makhong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001. Complete Rainstar Surgical Instruments, Hospital Equipments, OT lights and tables, auto claps, rehabilitation aids, hospital consumables, healthcare products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, amadi nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 038520569092 amadi 917085776993. Ekoi gi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsin birau Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System.
Welcome back. President of Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association Y Mange demanded the withdrawal of 5 battalion commanders who were recruited against the Rule number 11 under Manipur Home Guard Bill 1996 of Manipur government's Home Department, and also to provide promotion to the Home Guard personnel under the rule. Addressing a press conference, he further said the government has turned a deaf ear to their demands. He accused that the recruited battalion commanders are doing things in their own way.
The lady, as I be when I give a Kamaito Gragese, Yana, Baro Sarkana to Peter Pito Crow, Pene, Great Pene, Adegidi DNA, watching allowance, the Pulaga, Pito Crow, Hidden cities in Marida Mangari Iraba. Rajya Sabha the Pukapada Parliament, Rajya Sabha Home Minister na para Pakumpi Graba, Adu Papa Masi Manipur Sarkar Sigi Home Department na Masi CSA Moina, Taugi Habigi, Nambanina Moigi Makuta Lebanina, Soy Moina Taugadam file Moina Taugadam and Pajalatami. Sigi Jokoi, Hantagam shortly, whenever High Corner Rayama, so I don't get Tabirakani Madi Matunda Koi Mayam, the Mok Media, the Pogdam Jage.
Mass search operation continues ahead of Republic Day celebrations in Imphal. Here's a report.
A joint team of Porompat Police and Imphal East Commando conducted cordon and search operation in Imphal East District under the supervision of SPK Megasandra today. Personnel of Women Police, Reserve Line and Narcotics led by Deputy SP CDO Thangkoson Haukiv and SDPO of Lamlai, Johnny, carried out the search operation at Ningthempukri Mapal from 5:30 a.m. till 6:45 a.m. Altogether, 135 persons were verified with proper ID proofs. However, no arrests were made.
Masise hayeng hangchiki tokadoriba Republic Day celebration kamari lainana Imphal East District Police na hokiba hapta ani sidagi mafam da makai da sanitization or verification chathari ko duga mari laina a part of that as a preventive measure so inako ngasi su Ningthempukri Mapal asigi mafam sida ayuk ki pung manga makhai dagi pung taruk nipu yangkai nipu manga se manung sida koi verification tawjare aduga masid sida nupi nupa pulap 136 mi verify tawre aduga masid sida pick up tawbodi leijadre.
A team of Imphal West CDO led by Additional SP Operation TH Krishnatombi also conducted mass sanitization drive in surrounding areas of Imphal River at Minutong and Yaiskul Range ground. A team of Imphal West CDO led by Additional SP Operation TH Krishnatombi also conducted mass sanitization drive in surrounding areas of Imphal River at Minutong and Yaiskul Range ground. The drive began around 7 and continued till 9:20 this morning. The police team searched the houses in the area during the drive. Later, the team conducted another drive at North AOC, which began around 9:30 a.m. and continued till 10 a.m. Altogether, 125 persons were verified. However, no pickup has been reported. On the other hand, Imphal West CDO Bazaar Unit also conducted a combing operation at Masajid Road from 7:40 to 8:20 this morning.
Now the sports news. In today's first quarter-final match of the ongoing 8th Haraurao Trophy state-level village-wise football tournament at YMC ground, Kundrakpam, ESU Talo and YDO Kundrakpam had a draw in the given time. Later, at the tie-breaker, EUSC Talo entered semi-final by defeating YDO Kundrakpam by 4-3. Lamlai FC also entered the semi-final by defeating PJCO by 2-0 at the second quarter-final match played today. We'll take a short break. Stay tuned.
Machalgi Sasenaba Products Sindagi Jackson Biu. Kanglai Park Spices Industry na puthokpa Machalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amatalajade. KSI na puthokpa Machalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglai Park Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiu. Lalamung Makong Takela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Sinam Lekai haina thari basin Taba atopa amata Machalgi asengba product natte sasinaba amasung malhan basingdagi Jackson Biu hena kupamarol khangnaba lengsinbirau Machal Kanglai Park Spices Industry Lalamung Makong Takhelamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangmiban Sinam Lekai near Lamfelam Park natraga logon tobiu www.machalspices.com or Facebook/machalspices natraga email tobirau info@machalspices.com.
Lamdam asigi lawmi singgi ahangba lamsingda thabi hauro Mahindra company amadi Holland country gi Hayes ZPC company ga punna tissue culture tawraga puthokchaba asengba alu char iramdam asigi leibak le hawa yamna chunaraba alu angangba Lady Rosetta amadi alu angauba karfi joti makhal animak phambiragani supnatagi alu piece amana alu kg ama hena puthokpa ngamba alu makhalni iramdam asibu sabu ongnaba alu puthoklasi asengba alu char tharsi Saranaba alu Hundok Khakna Maton Thoklaga Semba alu Chara Tharagum si haiba kholau amagaloinina sahi ahum sabna satharakpa mission amagi makhada pujarakpa alu chara singni Nipal tangdana iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si lengsing birau ngasimak Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malong Bazar Lintoy House Kaksing Bazar adongi ahangba bahum singda alu thabiduna iramdam asida alu gi awapa lehelagum si.
Welcome back. The Congress Party cadre in Uttar Pradesh sees the entry of Priyanka Gandhi into active politics as the General Secretary for Eastern UP as a game changer ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Priyanka's official entry into the political arena suggests that Congress is banking on her charisma to revive itself in a region where it has been struggling to make any real political inroads in the recent years. She has been thrown directly in the UP dangle and will be pitched directly against the BJP's two biggest faces, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whose constituency is Varanasi, and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, whose political home is Gorakhpur. Election data reveals that out of 30 Lok Sabha seats in the provincial region of UP, Congress failed to win a single seat in 2014. With Priyanka in charge, Congress is hoping to put up a direct challenge to BJP heavyweights in various regions of the state. As far as her previous electoral achievements are concerned, she has been the nurturer of Congress bastions of Amethi and Raebareli for many years now. In the 2007 assembly polls, she campaigned in 10 constituencies that come under Amethi and Raebareli, out of which the Congress won 7. The governor of an Indonesian province inundated by torrential rains says the death toll from flooding and landslides has risen to 26. South Sulawesi Governor Nurdin Abdullah said in a TV interview on Thursday that displaced people are still being evacuated. 9 districts in the province, including the capital Makassar, have been affected by flooding that began late Tuesday, forcing thousands to flee their homes. Adnan Purichta Ichsan, the chief of Goa district near Makassar, has said operators of the Bilibili Rock Fill Embankment Dam were forced to release water on Tuesday, which contributed to flooding but avoided a worse disaster. Siltation of the dam and deforestation of the upstream watershed had worsened the flood. At least 6 Indian sailors were killed and an equal number of them went missing after 2 fuel ships carrying Indian and Turkish crew members caught fire in the Kerch Strait, where the blaze was still raging following the accident on January 21st. Russian authorities yesterday resumed search operation for 10 missing sailors, including 4 Indians, in the Kerch Strait, which separates Russia from Crimea. The deceased were identified as Pinal Kumar Bharatbhai Tandel, Vikram Singh, Sarvanand Nagaranjan Vishal Dod, Raja Devnarayan Pinigrahi and Karan Kumar Haribhai Tandel. 6 missing Indian sailors include Siddharth Meher, Neeraj Singh, Sebastian Brito, Brislin Sahayaraj, Rushikesh Raju Sakpal, Akshay Bhaban Jadhav and Anand Desakir Avinash. Russian Maritime Agency and Maritime Rescue and Coordination Center Novorossiysk are continuing efforts to locate those listed as missing. Now let's have a look at the top stories.
The Shanghai Express. State government concern on citizenship rider finds no takers. Student bodies line up series of protests ahead of flashing CAV in Rajya Sabha. IWF lifts provisional ban on Sanjita Chanu. Political parties petition Nazma to convene House. The People's Chronicle. Mass protests line up to decry threat to natives. More colleges give boycott Republic Day call. Student bodies to ban CAV against in Delhi. Full rehearsal of Republic Day held. Search operations on. ZDU to skip meet call by Chief Minister. Imphal Free Press. Poll preparations for upcoming elections in full swing. PK Singh. 6 student bodies to hold agitations at New Delhi against CAV. Tracking concern of state government is another trick to fool people. NIT students to continue protests. Desam demands clarification from state government. The Morning Bell. 10 political parties meet governor over CAV. Demand special assembly session. ADCs in 6 scheduled areas of Northeast to have more power. 1/3 of seats for women in village and municipal councils. International Weightlifting Federation lifts ban on Sanjita Chanu. Eastern Army Commander conducts recce of border. Manipur Mail. All political party meeting on January 28. Union Cabinet approves amendment to increase powers of autonomous councils. Militants call for boycott of Republic Day celebrations.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. Meira paibis along with students tried to storm BJP President KSH Bhabananda and Rajya Sabha MP MC Meira. Parents and guardians sleep over near Catholic school buildings to submit admission forms, certificates forged illegally. And young Manipur women all set to go on lone car drive to Delhi for social cause. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.